Okay, Boomer. Right? Hey everyone! Today we're going to dive into one of our one-shot skills, the boomerang. Boomerang can be found in the skills menu under the one-shot section. It can be performed using the app or controller, but not the beacon. When performing a boomerang, Skydio 2 will begin from a subject or starting point. Then it will fly out and away in a single wide circle before returning to the starting point. Once you have selected the Boomerang skill, you can either perform the boomerang relative to Skydio 2's current position, or you can select a subject to track by pressing the blue plus button. Upon initiating the boomerang, Skydio 2 will wait for 3 seconds before flying out, up, and away while circling the subject. Then returning close to complete the boomerang. You can enter the boomerang menu to adjust various settings. In this menu, you can choose if you want your boomerang to start automatically, and you can adjust the distance, speed, and the direction that Skydio 2 will fly. Boomerang is a great way to create extra movement in your shots because Skydio 2 is actively changing its distance from you while completing its rotation. You will have the best results with Boomerang when the subject is relatively stationary. If you are tracking a subject while performing a boomerang, Skydio 2 will return to the subject, not the starting location. Skydio 2, finally, a boomerang that actually comes back to you. Bonk out.
Do me a favor, tap the like button for the algorithm, subscribe to be notified when the next episode drops, and share this video with new Skydio 2 owners on their journey to pro status.
Okay, ready. Skydio 2, a boomerang that actually, oh finally. Dun-dun-dun.